Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error with the error code 0x80246017 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot from the right pane and then select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run and it will initiate the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. Okay, we have a script for this. Now I'll tell you what this does and why it will fix your problem. Because if this doesn't, then nothing else can. First of all, it will stop all Windows Update related services. Then it will clear the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. Then it will re-register all the DLL files. And then it will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart all the services. So copy this command, the entire set. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter and wait for a while. It will fix your problem. Okay, and wait till all of the commands are executed. Then try updating Windows once again and it should work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.